Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Olympic Way Kingston off of Olympic Garden. Ladies and gentlemen, look here. The police station not even safe. Me I go show you what them do right now in a Jamaica. A big disgrace. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV. And if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you, my family, hit that red subscribe button. And we're going to have a great relationship, ladies and gentlemen. It all started Monday. Monday afternoon, there was a woman found off of Maxfield Avenue in the evening, and she was identified as 33-year-old Tashana Joseph. So the earlier reports say that they were found, at least they heard that, at least 2 gunshots to her face when they found her. And so the police still processing the scene. But later on, there was a shootout close by the Olympic Garden police station, seems to be in retaliation, where 3 people were shot. 2 were fatally hit in a drive-by attack by gunmen. The Olympic Way Kingston, just meters away from the police station area. Reports are that a group were standing in the area on Tuesday evening traveling, and then there were men traveling in a silver car, jump out of the car, and then open fire. The men then fled from the location. Police were called. Several were found suffering from gunshot wounds. They were rushed to the hospital, where 2 from the group were pronounced dead. Heavy police is still in the area, people. As high tension. Y'all gonna tell, like me tell you, early on Monday, seem like Tashana Joseph get slapped away in her house. Father weep and mourn, and I say him come over if he come check her. And granddaughter tell him say mommy get slapped away. So now it seems like say some thugs pick it up in them and drove by over there by Olympic Yard, because it seems like so the assailants them might come by, because say regular people know what go on and what go on, The only people them will pretend to know what go on, the police and the government them. And if you try show them what go on, them see them one put your name in a discovery and inform upon you. Them no keep them source safe. Because them really don't want to fight crime, because fighting crime is real hard. Them just make criminals duke it out. And then them come do the cleanup. So the Jamaican police and government is not about prevention, it's about cleanup. Because we are domesticated and used to doing the cleanup work. So even when we are put in a proactive position to prevent certain things, we don't prevent nothing. We just clean up the savagery. We clean up the dirt. We clean up the wickedness and the evil. So evil continue to run the place, because we all know what go on in the street. Eye for an eye and a teeth for your teeth. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier reporting live. Yeah, there was a young woman viciously murdered Monday afternoon in the Maxfield Avenue area. And it appears like the friends or family of that woman have retaliated A drive-by reported Tuesday evening, traveling in a silver motor vehicle. They alighted and extinguished 2 people. Multiple people were shot, but 2 of them fatally. Is this the Jamaica we want, people? Is this the life we want to continue to live? And is this the place we want to raise our children? Leave a comment for me. Let me know what we could do instead of just chatty to solve crime. There must be some suggestion. Me tell the government fi camera up the place at time them a ways. Because the country is a population of criminal mind and people with criminal intent. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Go ahead and share this content for me. More life, more joy. Ladies and gentlemen, more happiness.
Hello, my name is Ashina and welcome to Deep Roots TV.